In this video, we're going to be looking at the range of exports that are available to you after you've completed your design in h2x. First, we'll start with the read-only link, and this is perfect for the review process. Whether it's an internal review or an external review, you can generate this read-only link and share it with them. So with it being read-only, nobody can make modifications to your design. And the real benefit for the review is, instead of trying to fit things on a PDF where you can't see too much information, or trying to compare and lay out in some spreadsheets row by row and hoping that everything's been inputted correctly. With this, you can turn on all the detailed results and look at them individually. So as we zoom in and pan around, we can turn on a range of results, such as the recirculation pump duty, heat load, the pump selection. If you want to go really into the details, you can see the pressure drop through fittings, through valves. On the pipes, you can look at velocities, pressure drops, you can see how loading units convert to flow rates, and you can also see dead legs, residual pressure, static pressure throughout the system too. The PDF export is still great. This is, rather than reviewing, really good for producing a drawing and saving a file and sharing that around. So the most important thing here is, in the results mode, any results you have on will appear on the PDF. So just make sure you've got that looking how you'd like it to before you get to this part. Then you can play around with the paper sizes and the scales and also the detail level. It really depends on the size of your project, but just playing around with it, you'll soon get a feel for what it should be. You can then choose to include a cover sheet, whether you want the PDF background to show, and if you want some override highlights to show. But from there, you get this really presentable export. Comes with a title block with your company name, all the project information, and then the layout is similar to like an AutoCAD design. You get a full bill of materials for everything that's been included in your design. So every component, the quantity, the cost of that component, and it's split up system by system, goes really into details of the fittings. It's on a level by level basis, and you're fully in control of all the costs. So you can input your own costs there, whether you're doing a tender or just want to do some value engineering and compare designs. The design report is great for quality control. Every calculation from h2x is shown here, so you can get a breakdown of everything, and it's all linked to the components in h2x. And then the report is a summary of the calculation methods and the flow system parameters you've designed to. When it comes to exporting out of h2x as the project progresses, great export to AutoCAD, where you can choose the scale, it brings the file in, and it's all customizable now, so obviously delete the title block, and everything's on its own layer, so you can modify that. Our most popular export is our sync with Revit. So within seconds, you can generate a full 3D Revit model from the design layout in h2x. It also brings all the technical properties across, so flow rates, velocities, and pressures as well. And then as you go through the coordination process and change the design layout, like deleting pipes, adding new ones, moving things, the layout will update in h2x and all the calculations will update as well. So at the end of the project, you've got all your calculations to exactly match the Revit drawings you produce. And we do offer a 14-day free trial, so if you are interested, please head to h2xengineering.com, and with the trial we offer a training session and full customer support as well.